In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit euros into Binance. This guide is designed to help you seamlessly add funds into your Binance account using euros, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free process. Let's dive straight in and get you set up. To begin with, start by logging into Binance. You can do this either through the app or your browser, whichever you find more convenient. It's important to ensure that your account is fully verified, meaning you've completed the KYC or Know Your Customer process. This is a critical step as it enhances your account's security and complies with financial regulations. Next, you need to navigate to the section for depositing euros. Whether you're on the app or using the website, look for an option labeled something like Wallet, followed by Fiat and Spot, and then Deposit. Alternatively, you might see Deposit followed by Fiat. Click on this option and choose EUR for euros as your currency for deposit. Then, you'll move on to selecting your preferred deposit method. Depending on your location, you'll have a few different options to choose from. You can use a SEPA bank transfer or a SEPA instant bank transfer, either of which might have slight variations in availability and processing time. Another common method is through a credit or debit card. If applicable, some users might find options like Apple Pay or Google Pay available for card deposits, making the process even more fluid. After selecting your deposit method, enter the amount of euros you wish to deposit. Binance will clearly display any applicable fees, so you know exactly how much you're spending. For instance, with SEPA, there's often a fixed nominal fee, usually around €1. In case you're using SEPA, Binance will provide you with their bank details, including important information like the IBAN and a reference code. You'll need to use these details when making the transfer through your banking app. If you're opting for card payments or Apple, Google Pay, simply fill in your card information or choose your already linked wallet. Remember, it's essential that the bank account or card is under your name for security reasons. Once you've got everything set up, initiate the transfer. This can be done through your bank app if you're using SEPA, or through the prompts provided if you're using a card or digital wallet like Apple or Google Pay. Now the waiting game begins. With SEPA Standard, you might be looking at a wait of 0 to 3 business days, depending on your bank and region. SEPA Instant is a quicker option, often processing within minutes to hours if available. Card and wallet deposits are typically processed instantly or nearly so. Finally, once the process is complete, you'll want to confirm the arrival of your funds. Check your Binance Fiat wallet or the Fiat and Spot section. If the funds are there, you're all set. Now you can use these euros to start buying cryptocurrencies or simply hold them in your account for future transactions.